Hello and welcome to this tutorial in HiCAD where I want to show you how I can create a plane in which the points are well placed, since the point cloud consists of millions of small points. As you can see, this is extremely important here in this one. If you work with layers in this point cloud in order to install parts there, or for example if you want to install profiles here, you can also install them in the right place. There are two variants whereby this point from the point cloud selects an area. That is, you can see here in this circle he would generate a plane for me from these points. From my point of view, this is of course very imprecise. That's why I mainly use this command planes from point cloud for this. A dialog opens where I can define points here. That means I can here basically I select points and HiCAD takes the average of the points that you can see here and wants to lay a level here for me home. You can see the points that I have chosen here have an average deviation of 0.8 millimeter and a maximum deviation of 2.3 millimeter. I can continue to choose the options here, either parallel to a plane, which means I can then define a plane here, or perpendicular to a plane, where I can select planes or axis here. I stay here, in this case on free, and here this level would then be created for me. That means now my level is directly on this surface, and I can do it again with my normal editing commands. That means I could say here, for example, I want a profile on this here. Put the cloud, and this is placed on this U profile right here on this level. And so I am right on the middle of this area and can continue working here as I wish.